Magandang hapon po ng September 2, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 2, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, September 2, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for September 2, 2023 Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 104 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 26 million pesos for Saturday, September 2, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 2, 2023 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.